Almost एक 5 point raise केले त्यांनी आणि ते point म्हणल्यारी they go like this. In a point of discussion, 6 points came, and the points were: one, I told them that was their point. I told them that I had first time the Pogo bill म्हणते assembly ताई गायलेले आजी गेले आणि त्याक लागून मग सारखं बॅकलिश 2 वर्सां म्हाका 3 वर्सां बिफोर इलेक्शन हांवें बिल घायलो मग म्हाका आजीन सार स्वतायन हायलो कांय जावना तें दुसरोच. They tried to defame me to the best of their abilities, but they did not succeed. So I said, I don't want to fall prey to the same thing again. So I will be a little more wiser and not make that mistake. I said, then they said that, in the assembly, every assembly, we have been raising issues of together roaming company. Successive assemblies, I have explained to them, and that big leaders have come and gone here in the assembly, and they told me that people have made them leaders. So people have, that time it was the duty of the leaders to do it. So I said, because they have failed, don't try and blame us for it. Successive assembly, even this assembly, I have a question. Then they explained to me that Cruz had raised issue in the assembly. So I told them, don't make that mistake of saying only Cruz raised assembly. We have asked questions, we have been continuously following it up. It's not that we don't want, I am not interested in politics. Then I asked them, then they say about jobs. I said, even jobs, we have continuously raised issues. Company Munti Zaimond. Then there are no takers. Even Kaldagana, Goa University Park, Sodan Chami issue raised Kele Assembly. Then they said that issue raised Kelama. Kone Konkani Romicho issue raised Corona. At that time. That's why there were no issues of Romi Konkani. I said, no, correct. I said, we have always raised issues in the assembly. Always, continuously. Pहिले Radhan केले, मागी Anikod केले, मागी आमी केले, Safeguard Shelter. I first time got elected. Then we raise issues continuously. Even now we are raising issues. So don't make that mistake saying nobody raised the issue. Kodiyar zaye o zaye. So this fellow made it clear. Kennedy made it clear. If you consider it dhamki, you consider it. So I was shocked at the attitude. But still, there is no issue. Because he said something, we will continue our job. We are simple people. We have always believed in doing something for the people. But I have raised these points because we have discussed these points. Now, even last assembly, we have raised questions. Every time we have been raising questions. Then, there were so many other things which came into discussion. But these were the most important. Right? I will tell you that we are not against, as for me, I am not against any Roman Konkani. I have even raised issue why this was not done before. But even now, if there is any consensus on the issue, I am there on the issue. If there is a consensus, I am there on the issue. I think he told you before they came to me.
No, he tell us.
No.
आज आम्ही रिजनल कडे आयले कित्याक आमचो रोमी लिपीची प्रोग्राम आमदारांक बॅट कोदेल जाय रोमी लिपी जाय हाचेर भासाभास करपाक ताचे आमचे बरोबर ग्लोबल फोरमाचे वांगडी तशेंच ताचे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचे थोडे डेलिगेशन आमी आमचे बरोबर आयले ताका मेळपाक ताचे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी लोकांनी ते कडेन थोडे जाण आमचे डेलिगेशन आयले तेमी थोडे प्रश्न विचारले ते कडेन पयलो प्रश्न जावन आसा कुर्तोरी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन चडशे ग्रामसभेनी रेजोल्युशन पास केल्लें आहा तूं आमचे बरोबर आसा वो ना ताणें सांगलां आपूण आसा लोकां बरोबर आनी दुसरे इस्कॉलांनी बील घालूंक जाय कोंकणी इस्कॉलांनी इंट्रोड्यूस करूंक ताचेर ताणें आपूण स्टडी करता आनी सांगता तुमकां हें फुडें अशें सांगलां ताका तशेंच आमी बील दिलां अमेंडमेंट हाडपाक ऑफिशियल लँग्वेज एक्ट अमेंड करपाक 2 भाशेन तें आमी बील दिलां ताका एक बील आसा क्लॉज सी कोंकणी मीन्स कोंकणी इन देवनागरी एंड रोमन स्क्रिप्ट ओनली हो एक ड्राफ्ट दिला आनी दुसरो ड्राफ्ट दिला क्लॉज सीयान तें कोंकणी इन देवनागरी आहा तें डिलीट करपाचें म्हणजे कोणाकूच ऑफिशियल स्क्रिप्ट अशी ना कांय ते क्लॉजूच नाका आमकां सो दे कॅन चूज गव्हर्मेंटान हें चूज करूंक आतां तें चूज ताका जाय तें सबमीट करून दिया एमएलए मागीर फुडारा सो ताणें हेचेर सांगलां आमकां आपूण स्टडी करता आनीक आपूण तुमचे मागीर तुमकां सांगता कशें कितें कात तें आनी सगळे बराबर तर आहा आमी तांकां सांगलां आमी तुजेच येना आमी सगळे एमएलए येतले आनी ताचो मेन हेतू आसा आयज मेळपाक एमएलए बिकॉज सगळे एमएलएक आमी एकवटान हाडूंक सोदता हें बील एसेंब्लीन मांडूंक हो आमचो मेन हेतू हे आमचो मिटिंगेचो हेतू न्हू कोणाक घेराव घालूंक कोणाक धमकी दिवपाक कोणाक हें न्हू तो म्हज्या लागीं चालतालो दीस इज तुमी हें नांव कित्याक चूज केला काय म्हळ्यार ते कमिटीन डिसायड केला हें कोणाकूय धमकी वो अशें दिवपाक न्हू
किती किती चॉईस
आहा आमदारांक बॅट कोदेल जाय ओरोमी लिपी जाय
ही एक धमकीशी
ना,
दिता
ना,
तुम्ही
तूं ताका ते सांगला आमी धमकी कशी आमकां काय बरें भाशेन उलयलें आमच्या कडेन आनी कांय धमकी दिवंक ना ताका
आमदाराक आवडले ना अशी
तें आवडलें ना ताका यू इंटरप्रेटेड वे यू लायक इट
तोच आम्ही तेच उदार करतले न्हू तेच उदार करून आमकां घेवन वयचें पडटलें न्हू शेवटी आमकां रोमी जाय न्हू
पास केलें फाल्यां आमकां कित्याक जाय
आमकां
तें
रोमी जाय शेवटी
त्या दिसा इश्यू ना आमचे
फाल्यां लोकांनी म्हणलें आमकां रोमी जाय
कोदेल जाय इश्यू ते कोदेल उरतली बरें
जावंक शकता न्हू
कॉमन
सो तातूंत नांव जायना.
दादागिरीचेर आमी अगेन्स्ट ना ओके जेन्ना पळय तेंच्यांनी पयलें तें बील पास केलां तितूर ती मिस्टेक जालेली आसा सो ती मिस्टेक फुडें कंटिन्यू जावपाक जायना